there's a familiar sight, huh? We are back at the passenger side, and I'll do this one quick wipe down with a little lacquer thinner on the outside. Clean those bearing surfaces, and then we'll add a little oil back to it. It doesn't make much sense, does it? I want my gasket to stick though. I already buffed these all out once. Alright, unplug it. Gonna have to put a little bit of oil. I'm not gonna do that until I get the sealant on here. Alright, so we're gonna do what we did underneath. We're gonna just put a tiny bit of this. And we don't need a lot. Just enough to make a film. Alright. Now I'm going to stick a couple of bolts through. To help align it. Oh, that's nice and clean back there anyway. The back gasket, just this little guy. Those holes are pretty generous, so I'm guessing it's not real super. Make sure you don't get a bunch of it on the inside of that bearing race. And press from the inside out. Squeeze it towards the outside. There we go. What is next? The drum backing plate. Alright. Yes. The brake backing plate. So, I'm going to do the same on this. I'm going to just run a little bead around the outside edge of the holes. I'll stay on the diameter of those. And I'm just putting a little smear of it in there. I don't want this stuff squeezing into the bearing. That's plenty. You can see what I got on there. I need just a little track of it around there. You have to make sure you get the right and left backing plate, because this one is the right side, the passenger side, the hole is towards the front for the parking brake. You just stay out of my way. And we'll put him right over the bolts. Make sure that goop don't get in there. Alright, guess what, folks? Another gasket. Again, I'm just going around the outside edge of this. The top is the worst. You got to get right on the top of this. Just a little smear. That's the oil drain hole in case the diff leaks. There we go. I like it. How about you? So I'm putting the lettering outward. I don't know if that matters. 1 iota. And Again, I'm pushing it towards the outside as I press this down. Now, a little on the axle flange, which I have right here, which you can't see, but I guess I can turn the camera. Again, I'm just going to put along the outside edge, like so, just a little schmear. These don't hold any oil back. These just keep dust and dirt out of your bearings. So, I mean, that's important, yes. A ladybug crawling up my lap. Anyway, now we need to do one thing, and that's add a little bit of lube to that oil seal in there, so that'll slide in, and a little on that bearing race. And I'm going to slick up that bearing just a little bit. This should jump right in there. Should. Just like that pumpkin did, right? Alright, guys. In we go. In we go. Careful not to. Look at that. She went in. Oh, I love this. I'm getting it together. I'm so happy to be putting this thing back together. You just cannot believe it. Once there was this kid who got into accident and couldn't go to school. When they finally made him his hair had turned from black into bright white. Ooh. Ooh. I don't even know what the name of that band was. Something from the mid-90s anyway. I just remember that part. Alright. Well, that bearing went in there just nice. The worst part about all this job is going to be assembling these brakes. They suck. I gotta grab my zippy tool. Whoa, hold down there, boy. That's my half inch. I don't want the half inch. Well, there was this kid who got into an accident and couldn't go to school. Well, he finally came back. His hair turned from black to bright white. Something like that. Well, if I could find my socket wrench, I'd be all set. There it is right there. Alright. I got one of these bolts that's bent a little bit. I don't think it's going to be an issue. No matter where it goes here. I'm sure as I tighten it up, she'll straighten right out. I said that about other things. Ooh, ooh. Don't these look all nice, all painted up? I think I'm gonna tighten these by hand. Man, there's some preload on those gears. Huh. It's supposed to be. I'm gonna do the opposite ones first. Just bring them down. My concern is that bent one. I want to get these tight. Tighten that up. Tighten this guy up a little bit. His hair. That's the problem. What problem is that, dear? Ooh. There, straighten that baby up. Nice. All night down, I had a fight. I got my elbow torque measuring machine here. That's good. Alright. Bingo! There's one in. Do the other side. Roll here on the second side. I just had a couple things I had to move over. Maybe we'll bring the light around just because I got tools all over the place. Why is that? It looks like a crazy, man. Crazy. Alright. Set that light over this way. Alright. Perfect. Alright, just cleaned this before I went on camera with some lacquer thinner. So we're good to go. I get my gaskets. At first I thought I put both gaskets in behind there. That scared me, but I didn't. Let's see how this guy fits first. Alright. We got to go around the outside edge, but across the top there on the bottom. Alright. I know I brought that over here. I thought I did. Ah! Don't you hate it? It's like, yep, I know I picked that up. I know I carried it over here. And I set it down. And where did it go? Alright, I'm nuts. I found the sealant. It was right in front of me. It had fallen down in the wheel. So, just a smear. You don't want any of that crap getting into the... Get a couple of these bolts. I didn't clean these ones as nice as I did the other side, but such is life. Can't always get what you want. No, you can't always get. I got about 2 minutes here to finish this up. I have to go pick my granddaughter from school. Little doll. And of course she's 14, so she's not so little anymore. Alright. Same thing on the backing plate. I'm going to go around the outside of the bolt holes with straight lines. To go under the drip hole though. I know, I got a couple minutes. Keep it away from the thing. Again, this is the driver's side because the hole for the brake drum or the emergency brake cable is there. Get that guy down here. All right. Put a little smear of oil in there. This is the one that was damaged, so I'm going to make sure it's a little slick in there. Alright. Axle is right here, right in front of my face. Again, just a little, not even 1/8 inch bead. As I said, I'm just putting a little smear on there because these look like pretty compliant gaskets too. They'll take up any extra space that there is. Looks like I got a little much on the top here. I'm going to wipe it away with my finger. Make sure it don't get into the bearing. Alright. Oh yeah, she's almost all the way in. Perfect. I like it. Alright, let's get our other bolts in there. There's that one. T-nut. Where's my T-nut? T-nut. I got 2, 3, 4. There it is. Very specific application for these bolts. Yeah, I admit I'm no professional at this crap. I'm just making it up as I go along. As Indiana Jones once said. I gotta hurry. My wife already came out to warn me that I had to get my granddaughter pretty soon. But I want to get these torqued down. There's another one around here somewhere. What'd I do with him? Ah! I forgot the gasket. Duh. Okay, that's what you get when you get in a hurry. Not a game changer. I'll just put this back together. You're screaming at me, I can hear you. Can't get those T-nuts in there crossways or you'll bend them though. I learned that already because I bent one. Pull that guy out. And put the gasket on. There's plenty of goop on there. It's smeared from both. There we go. Clean that bearing off. I don't want that glued in place. In the event of an emergency, you would be notified. What do you call? What do you call? Ghostbusters. There we go. Knucklehead. Ow! Don't hit your head, though. Word number 4. Ugh. Ugh. I know if I get 3 on tight, I'll be happy. Now I'll just have to finish the 4th one up when I get back. I just need a nut. Where's my nut? I had it. Oh, there it is. I see a nut. I don't know if it's the nut. Yeah, it is the nut. Okay. I am going to use the zippy tool to hurry these up because, as I said, I got a train to catch here. We'll just go to the opposite corner. she's not little. She ain't in any trouble. All right. I'll just torque cue these right now. I think they're supposed to get about 40 foot-pounds. There you go, guys. All right, I gotta go do a pickup. Catch you later. Be right back.